friends, so this is the last lecture for the exercise number 7.3, and in this lecture we will solve only one question from the exercise 7.3. Okay, so the question number 5 is, if ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. Okay, so let us first draw the isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. This side is equal to this side. Now draw, you have to construct, means you have to draw AP, a line AP which must be perpendicular to BC, right? So you have to write, or you have to draw a line AP which must be perpendicular to BC. Okay, so here the line AP is perpendicular to the opposite side of the vertex A, BC. That means perpendicular means it is 90 degree. Now tell me, what is the alternate name for the line AP? It is known as altitude, because altitude is a line which is perpendicular, okay, from a vertex to its opposite side. That is why here AP is an altitude. So we have to draw AP perpendicular to BC. Then we have to show B angle is equal to C angle. Okay, we have to show that this angle is equal to this angle. Though we know by theorem 7.2 that if in a triangle any two sides are equal, then their opposite angle must be equal. But here we do not use that theorem. We have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C without using theorem 7.2. Okay, how? Let's prove it. Okay, so let us write what is given for this question. So it is given triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to SC and AP be an altitude which is perpendicular to BC. Understood? It means what? It means this angle is 90 degree APC and this angle APB is also 90 degree. So we can write APC is equal to APB is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now without using the theorem number 7.2, we have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. So to prove angle B is equal to angle C. Finally, prove. In order to prove this, we have to consider two triangles here, right? Triangle ABP and the triangle ACP. After comparing two triangles, if we can prove that the two triangles are congruent, then we will move further. So let us compare the two triangles ABP and ACP. So between triangle ABP and triangle ACP, what are the conditions? Here for the triangle ABP, AP side is equal to AC side for the triangle ACP. So AB is equal to AC since it is given. So directly we can write AB is equal to AC. Second condition is, for the triangle ABP, this angle is 90 degree, and for the triangle ACP, this angle is 90 degree. The reason is that AP is perpendicular on BC. So this angle is equal to this angle is equal to 90 degree. Right. So APB is equal to APC is equal to 90 degree. Okay. The reason is AP is perpendicular on BC. Here also you can write the reason, it is given. Understood? Now the third condition, for triangle ABP, AP is a side, and similarly for the triangle ACP, AP is also a side. So AP side is the common side to this triangle to this triangle. So you can write AP is equal to AP common side. Now let us verify to which congruency these two triangles follow. So for the triangle APB or ABP, what we have taken? We have taken this angle APB is equal to APC, this angle 90 degree. So this stands for right angle. Understood? Now we have taken AB side. Here AB side. Now tell me, AB is the hypotenuse for the triangle ABP because AB side lies just opposite to the 90 degree. So AB is the hypotenuse. So this stands for hypotenuse. AB. Next is AP is the common side. So AP stands for side. This is right angle, this is hypotenuse. So this stands for side. So you have to write them in proper order, but I have written it first hypotenuse, then right angle, then side. But you have to write first right angle, then hypotenuse, then side. Okay. Now by RHS congruency, you can write that this small triangle ABP is congruent to the triangle SCP. Okay. Hence by RHS congruency, triangle ABP is congruent to the triangle SCP. So we have proved that this two small triangle will become congruent. But we need to prove the angle B is equal to angle C. Now, the angle B is a corresponding part of which triangle? ABP triangle. Yes or no? Angle B is a corresponding part of triangle ABP. Similarly, angle C is a corresponding part of SCP triangle. But we have proved what? We have proved that this triangle is congruent to this triangle here. That's why we can write that their angle must be equal by axiom 7.2. These are the corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Hence directly you can write angle B is equal to angle C by axiom 7.2. Hence we have proved this statement that angle B is equal to angle C. But here we do not use, or we never use the theorem number 7.2. Okay. Here we use the RHS congruency rule in order to prove B is equal to C. We do not use the theorem 7.2, which tells you that if any two sides of a triangle are equal, then their opposite angles must be equal. Understood?